Here are 50 sentences using let me. These sentences demonstrate how let me is used to offer help, seek permission, or take action in a polite and proactive manner. 1. Let me help you with those bags. 2. Let me explain how this works. 3. Let me know if you need anything. 4. Let me take a closer look at that. 5. Let me handle this situation. 6. Let me call you back in a few minutes. 7. Let me check the schedule for you. 8. Let me introduce myself to everyone. 9. Let me show you the way. 10. Let me finish my coffee first. 11. Let me remind you about the meeting. 12. Let me see if I can fix this. 13. Let me tell you a funny story. 14. Let me grab my jacket before we go. 15. Let me try to solve this problem. 16. Let me suggest a better option. 17. Let me explain the rules to you. 18. Let me double-check that information. 19. Let me write this down so I don't forget. 20. Let me drive you to the station. 21. Let me share my thoughts on this topic. 22. Let me get some water for you. 23. Let me ask you a quick question. 24. Let me find the answer to that. 25. Let me clean this up for you. 26. Let me help you carry this upstairs. 27. Let me grab my phone before we leave. 28. Let me take care of the bill. 29. Let me check with my manager first. 30. Let me give you a better example. 31. Let me see what I can do about this. 32. Let me introduce you to my friends. 33. Let me figure out a solution. 34. Let me clarify my point. 35. Let me adjust the settings for you. 36. Let me find a more comfortable chair for you. 37. Let me help you plan the trip. 38. Let me grab a notebook to jot this down. 39. Let me tell you what happened yesterday. 40. Let me suggest a new restaurant. 41. Let me carry this for you. 42. Let me try again. I think I can do it. 43. Let me know your thoughts on this idea. 44. Let me review the document before we send it. 45. Let me confirm the reservation for tonight. 46. Let me show you how to use this app. 47. Let me open the door for you. 48. Let me make you a cup of tea. 49. Let me summarize the main points for you. 50. Let me make a quick phone call.